Alright, gonna make a scramble with this Sports of Nature ground wild boar, 100% wild caught, free range. Pretty much that's cause it's wild caught. That's what we got here. 21 grams of protein. Ingredients: 100% caught, wild caught boar. Let's see what it looks like. This right here smells like country ham from down south. I'm gonna tell you this, boys, guys, girls, this right here smells amazing. I'm gonna put a little sausage seasoning on it. This right here is the sausage seasoning I'm gonna put in it. Legg, this is out of Alabama. Got a little, just a tiny bit of heat to it, just a little bit. Okay, so I got some Kirkland Parmigiano Reggiano. Put some of that in there with some eggs. Once I get the eggs in there, once it's meat cooked. They say that the dry cheese is like Parmesan, helps burn off visceral fat. I'm still working out all the time, so getting a lot of good gains. I don't want to mess that up. Alright, so I put 6 of these pasture-raised Vital Farm eggs in there. Get some good protein here with some choline. It's got a lot of that lecithin in eggs too. I don't know. Lecithin. Ooh, this looks good. There wasn't hardly any fat on that boar, which I find very interesting. I can't believe how much it smelled like country ham. Almost like they took a salted, cured country ham and just ground it up. That's what it smelled like. Alright, put some of this Parmigiano. At this point, I go ahead and just turn the burner off. Oh man. Woo. That looks good. Yeah, man, look at this right here. Woo, that looks so good. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's good. It's delicious. Need a little hot sauce. Oh, that is good. That is good stuff. Get some of that Sports of Nature. Put a little sausage seasoning and York peppers in it. Eat it. Let's get lost.